All right, let's talk about laundry. We're going to skip all the expensive stuff and dive right into some incredible secrets for a perfect wash. We're talking about 12 simple hacks that use things you definitely already have in your house. Let's get into it. Does this sound familiar? You follow all the rules, use all the right settings, but somehow your dark clothes still come out faded, your towels feel kind of stiff and useless, and your favorite shirt is just a wrinkled mess. It's so frustrating, right? Well, the fix is way, way easier than you think. And this right here is the key. The solution isn't about running out and buying another fancy product. It's about getting a little smarter. It's about realizing that different problems, like fading clothes or scratchy towels, need different and surprisingly simple solutions. So here's our game plan. First, we'll cover some amazing hacks you can use right in the washing machine. Then, we're moving on to the dryer to get that perfect, flawless finish. After that, we are going to tackle some really stubborn stains. And then we'll wrap it all up so you have a whole new playbook for laundry day. Okay, let's start with the wash cycle itself. These first few tricks are all about what you can add to the machine to completely change how your clothes come out. I know, this one sounds totally weird, but trust me on this. Just 1 tablespoon of regular black pepper, tossed right in with your dark clothes, it's a game changer. The pepper is just abrasive enough to scrub away soap residue that dulls the fabric, and it helps lock the dye into the clothes so they don't fade. You know when your towels just stop being fluffy and absorbent? Well, the problem is almost always a waxy buildup from fabric softeners. White vinegar is the perfect fix. Just pour some where you normally put softener. It's a gentle acid that just dissolves all that gunk, bringing your towels right back to life. This one will save your laundry, especially if you just bought some new, really bright clothes. Before you wash them for the first time, just soak them in some cold water with a good bit of salt. The salt actually helps set the dye in the fabric, which seriously cuts down the chances of it bleeding all over everything else. So this isn't so much a hack as it is an absolute must-do. A simple mesh laundry bag. It's your best friend for anything delicate. It stops hooks and lace from snagging on zippers or getting all twisted up. Seriously, your delicates will last so much longer. It's a no-brainer. Okay, so the clothes are clean. Awesome. Now let's head over to the dryer and really perfect the whole process. These next few tips are going to save you time, save you energy, and maybe even let you ditch your iron for good. This one feels like magic, but it's really just simple science. You toss some ice cubes in a hot dryer, and what happens? They melt and create steam. And that steam relaxes the fabric fibers, smoothing out all the wrinkles. It's basically like having a mini steamer built right into your dryer. How would you like to cut 15, maybe 20 minutes off your drying time? Easy. The next time you put a wet load in, just throw one single, completely dry, fluffy towel in with it. That dry towel acts like a super sponge, soaking up a ton of the extra moisture and making the whole cycle go way faster. Okay, static cling. Instead of dryer sheets, try this. Take some aluminum foil, crumple it into 2 tight little balls, and just toss them in the dryer. They work by discharging the static electricity as they tumble around. And the best part? You can reuse them for months. It's way cheaper and totally chemical-free. Oh, the struggle is real. You wash a big down jacket or comforter, and the filling gets all clumpy and sad inside. The fix? A clean tennis ball. Seriously, as it bounces around in there, it literally punches the filling, breaking up all those clumps and keeping everything light and fluffy, just like it's supposed to be. All right, it's time to face the final boss of laundry, stains. These next few hacks are going to be your secret weapons for getting out some of the most annoying spots before they even set in. Think of this as your new stain-fighting cheat sheet. For those yellow stains on white shirts, the acid in a couple of aspirin tablets can break down the oils causing it. For a fresh grease spot, just rub it with white chalk. The chalk will literally pull the oil out of the fabric. And for those awful rings around the collar, a little bit of Dawn dish soap rubbed in before the wash cuts right through that grime. Oh, that feeling of dread when you pull your favorite sweater out of the wash and it's tiny. We've all been there. But don't give up. Soaking it in cool water with a little bit of baby shampoo can actually save it. The conditioners in the shampoo relax the tight fibers, which lets you gently stretch it back into shape. So let's step back for a second. We've gone through a ton of little tricks. What does it all add up to? Let's pull it all together into your new, much smarter way of doing laundry. So why does any of this matter? Because you now have a whole toolkit of specific solutions for specific problems. You don't need some expensive all-in-one product. You can get better results, save a ton of money, and finally fix those little laundry annoyances, all with stuff you already have at home. So if you learned something cool today, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on more secrets like these. And hey, drop a comment below and let me know which one of these hacks you're going to try first. I'd really love to hear which one it is. And that kind of leaves you with one final thought, doesn't it? If a little bit of pepper and vinegar can completely change your laundry game, it really makes you wonder, what other amazing secrets are just hiding in plain sight around your house? Thanks for watching.